Hello all, welcome to this session. As you already know, recently on November 27, 2024, that is, 6 days back, the another version of Selenium got released, that is 4.27 version of Selenium got released. Why we are talking about this version? You see, a lot of releases happened 4.27, 4.26. We didn't discuss much there, but why we are talking much about this 4.27 version? The reason behind that is one of the method that we use in most of the cases got deprecated, guys. One of the methods in Selenium WebDriver got deprecated in this 4.27 release. Okay, what is that method? Get attribute method, guys. Okay, which will be able to retrieve the value from the attributes. Okay, from the HTML code of the element, if you give an attribute name, using the attribute name, this one will retrieve the value of that attribute. Okay, so that's how the get attribute used to work. Okay, now it got deprecated in this version from 4.27 onwards. This particular method from the Selenium WebDriver or command from Selenium WebDriver got deprecated. So what is the alternative then? What is the alternative? We are going to discuss the alternatives, guys. Okay, in place of get attribute, what are the different alternatives we have? I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so you see, if get attribute got deprecated, what else came into picture? Okay, if you can go to Java here, get attribute method got deprecated, guys. Okay, there is a link here. Click on that link. You can clearly see that get in place of the get attribute, okay, which got deprecated, they introduce something known as get DOM attribute, okay, or they also introduce something known as get DOM property. Two things, guys, okay. Either you can use get DOM property or get earlier only one method was there, get attribute method. Now they have introduced two methods, okay. In place of this method, according to your requirement, either you can use get DOM property or get DOM attribute, okay. So I'm going to show you how to use these methods in place of the get attribute in a practical way. First of all, before I even touch this get DOM property and get DOM attribute to show you that how they are going to work in place of the get attribute method and all, first let me show you how the get attribute method in the this version of Selenium is working. For that, I'll switch to this Eclipse ID. I'll switch to this Eclipse ID. Here, I'll open the pom.xml file. Okay, pom.xml file. In the pom.xml file, I'll scroll down here. What is the version of Selenium mentioned? 4.26.0. But the version, this particular change happened where this method got deprecated and all happened is in the 4.27 okay, one version. Okay, it's not 4.27, guys. Okay, let's see what is the version there. Let me go again back, selenium.dev, go to the blog. The blog, you will see 4.27, okay? 4.27.0 is the version, okay? I'll simply change it to, instead of 4.26, right, I'll change it to 4.27, guys, okay? And then click on Save All. You see, now this project will be automatically downloaded with Selenium Java jar files and will be configured in this project, okay? Fine then. I'll close this part. Once I close that, I'll go to the SRC, one of the place, guys, okay? Where I'll create a new file. Okay, just for demo purpose, let's say demo 3, I'll say demo 3 with main method I'll create and see how is that command working. Okay, now this project is configured with the 4.27.0 version. Now let me write the code. Driver is equal to new Chrome driver. Okay, so hold the mouse on this. If you are not getting the import statement, simply say Control Shift O. It will be imported. WebDriver interface will be imported from Selenium library. Chrome driver class also will be imported from Selenium library. Now say driver.manage.window.maximize, then driver.manage driver.manage.timeouts dot implicitly wait, then say put a semicolon here and simply say duration dot off seconds. Let's say 3 seconds is fine. Okay, now say driver.get command, and here I'm going to provide one application URL to demonstrate that get attribute command which got deprecated. Now I'll use this application URL, okay, to test or automate. Once I go to this application URL page, what I want to do is I want to retrieve this particular text that is there in this text box field. Okay, so how to retrieve that? I'll inspect this text field containing this particular Selenium WebDriver text. It has an ID, guys. Copy this ID attribute value, come back here and simply write down driver dot find element by dot ID. Provide the ID locator of that field and simply say dot get attribute is a method, right? Inside that, provide double quotes and provide the attribute name. What is the attribute name where this particular text is available? The text that is displayed in the text field is available in which attribute? Value attribute. Copy the name of the attribute, that is value here. And this should return you string, okay, field value or something. I'll just write something, okay? Get attribute field value or something. System.out.println. I'll simply say field value. And finally, I'll quit the browser. So earlier we used to write the code like this, guys, and that is from till the version number 4.26.0. This was the case. Okay. In 4.27.0, this got deprecated. You see, already a strike kind of stuff is coming for this method, and also you can see a warning message is coming in yellow color. That means this particular method got deprecated. It will work still, okay? It doesn't mean that this deprecated method doesn't work. It's going to work, but it's not encouraged to use, okay? We are not encouraged to use it, okay? A backward compatibility is there. Though it got deprecated, it looks like in the code, this kind of strike mark will come. Doesn't mean that there's an error here, guys, okay? Warning message is there. You still don't want to get warning message, then you can use the latest commands or latest methods of Selenium WebDriver 4.27.0 instead of this particular method that I'm going to demonstrate next. Let me run the script, right click run as Java application. Right click run as Java application and see what is going to happen here. Okay. So let's see whether the script is working or not. Even though the method got deprecated, the script is going to work as once the page loads completely. The script will try to retrieve the that particular text. You see that the whatever the text that was there in the text field got retrieved and printed in the output console here, right? It's working fine. Now, since it got deprecated, what I'm going to do here is, okay, here it got deprecated. I'll not be using this one. Okay, in place of this, I'll use some new methods which got introduced by Selenium. That is, one is get DOM property, other one is the get DOM attributes. You can go to this page and scroll down, go to the Java part since I'm using Selenium Java. Okay, in this 4.27 only, right? Yeah, deprecation of get attribute is there. If you come to Java something, get attribute, here link is there. Click on that link, you'll be taken to this page automatically. Here clearly mentioned that use either get DOM property or use either get DOM attribute for more precise attribute retrieval. Okay, that means they are making it more advanced, guys. Okay, it was very simple, either for retrieving the property or either for retrieving the attribute, either for retrieving the property or either for retrieving the attribute. We were using the same thing. Okay, now what is the difference? I'll tell you. Okay, what is the difference? I'll tell you. So here, what if I'll use the same field? Here into the field, I'll simply say the original text is what, guys, in the field. What is the original text available? Selenium WebDriver is the original text that is being displayed here. I'll simply say dot clear here. Okay, dot clear. Once I say dot clear, the text will be cleared here. The text will be cleared. Once the text got cleared, I'll simply write down driver dot find element and simply write down dot send keys. And here I'll type my name here. Okay, my name Arun. Instead of Selenium WebDriver, I am going to give my name, that is Arun Motori here. Okay, once I clear this and give my name Arun Motori here, what is going to happen? So here Arun Motori will be entered. Okay, but original was Selenium WebDriver, but the latest one is Arun Motori. Okay, now in this kind of situations, if you say the same element, driver.find element kind of element, and simply say, okay, you can also create a web element for this. Since you are using this multiple times, right? It's better to create a web element. The web element is text field. Okay, create the web element and copy this and simply say text field dot clear. Text field dot clear. Okay, initially Selenium WebDriver was there. Now I'm clearing this and into the same text field. After clearing the earlier text, I'm entering Arun Motori. Okay, earlier Selenium WebDriver is there. After clearing, my name got entered. Okay, now simply write down driver.find element by.id text box 1. Instead of that, I'll write text field. Okay, dot get attribute was there earlier, but this get attribute is now got deprecated in this 4.27.0 onwards. Okay, whether you are using 4.27 or other versions at your time, the latest versions at your time, this method will be shown as deprecated. A strike mark will come. So if you don't want to use this method, but why Selenium is discouraging you to not to use this method? Because they have provided some dedicated methods, guys. Okay, so for everything they want to provide some specific method. Okay, the get attribute was having some internal code which can do all the things. That is, which can retrieve the property value, which can also retrieve the attribute value. Okay, you can see the discussion here, guys. If you still want to know much, okay, you still want to know much of what happened and all those stuff and all, okay, you can type here get attribute GitHub, you search. Okay, there is an issue created here. Okay, in the GitHub repository, there is an issue created. All the developers and contributors of okay, were talking about this. Okay, open this issue and all. You see, if you go through this discussion, you will understand, guys. Okay, why they are planning to replace the get attribute with this methods known as get DOM property and get DOM attribute. Okay, you can understand this. Okay, if you want to go in detail, you see they want dedicated methods for performing different activities. For example, if your purpose is to retrieve the property, then you have to use a separate method. Okay, it also looks like an attribute name only, but the case is like a property. If you want to retrieve the property, then something. If you want to retrieve the attribute, one thing. What will happen if you retrieve the attribute? Current state of the element should be retrieved, guys. Okay, if I say get DOM attribute, okay, if I say get DOM attribute, okay, after clearing the text and simply say text field dot if I write down get DOM, instead of get attribute I have to use get DOM attribute, and here I need to give the same what was that, guys, in the HTML code, what was there for this value was there. Okay, original value was there. Okay, right, it shows like that. Okay, now if I say get DOM attribute of value, what will come? Okay, let's see that. Okay, DOM value, I'll say DOM attribute value or something. I'll just give some random names. Okay, remove this part and print it out. Okay, print it out. After clearing the original text of Selenium WebDriver and then I'm typing my name into that field, that means here Arun Motori will be clear. Selenium WebDriver will be cleared and Arun Motori will be done. And after that, if I try to get the attribute value with help of DOM attribute, instead of get attribute, if I'm using a specific method like DOM attribute, okay, and from the value attribute, which value is coming? Let's see. Okay, and also the same text field I'll take this time. I'll also try another method, okay, that got introduced in place of this get attribute method. That is, apart from the get DOM attribute, we have get DOM property. There are specific methods got introduced. Earlier, get attribute was able to do this both the things in a single method, but they want the user to have the customized separate method for that. So get DOM property. Here simply say value, okay, value, and here write down uh, DOM property. Okay, DOM property, or here you can say DOM attribute otherwise. Okay, DOM attribute. Okay, DOM attribute. Here say DOM property, hold the mouse. Okay, so what is the property is getting printed? What is the attribute getting printed? You will understand. Okay, it will not be same, guys. It will not be same. DOM attribute will be printed as something. DOM property will be printed as something. After the output comes, you will understand why they have provided separate methods instead of get attribute. Why they have provided two methods like get DOM attribute, get DOM property, and asking you to use these two methods in place of that method. Once application page loads, you see, in one of the method we got Selenium WebDriver, another method we got Arun Motori. What is the difference? You see, for the original state, you see the value got changed, right? Here, earlier Selenium WebDriver was there, cleared and Arun Motori, which is the latest. How the state got current state if you want to get, you have to use what? Current state if you want to get. The current state is coming in the case of, in this example, the current state is coming in the case of get DOM property is getting the current state, whereas DOM attribute is not getting the current state, guys. It's getting the original attribute value. Okay, value attributes original value before we perform any actions here like clearing and entering some new things, right? Whatever the value was there, that get DOM attribute was getting. Now get DOM property is getting the updated one. Okay, it's not getting the updated one. Whatever that is there in the HTML code. Okay, you see, even though Arun Motori got updated here, if I inspect this, still I'll see Selenium WebDriver only. This old one, original one, is retrieved with the help of get attribute, whereas the updated one, okay, in this particular field, whatever the updated value attributes value is there, that is being retrieved by the get DOM property. Okay, this is some changes I have observed, guys. Okay, so if you want to know like what exactly this is, and okay, it might be good to deprecate to remove it as an undefined time in the future. Okay, so like that they have some discussion happening, guys, here. Okay, there is a discussion happening here. Okay, so what is the usage and all? If you want to understand more, you can go through this GitHub article. Okay, get attribute assumes that the people don't know the difference between a property and an attribute and don't want to be bothered to figure it out. A decent assumption. So it uses such a bunch of fancy JavaScript that does a pretty job of guessing whether the user is looking for the automatically it's deciding, okay, whether the user is looking for property or attribute, it's automatically decided. But if you want to give more flexibility for the user, if the user want to retrieve the original value that got assigned to the attribute, okay, original attribute value, if the user want to retrieve rather than getting the latest updated value, then user cannot use get attribute in that case, right? That's the problem. Okay, so like that, guys. Okay, okay, so by using the correct method, that is get DOM attribute or get DOM property, we can get whatever we want. Okay, if you are using get DOM attribute, we are getting which value, guys? The original value. Okay, the latest updated current state of the value is not coming. The original value that was preloaded in the text field is coming here. Okay, whereas if I use get DOM property in this example, I'm getting the latest updated value in that field. Okay, is coming. Okay, so depending on your need, you can use these methods now. You don't have to depend on get attribute anymore. Okay, so that's the reason they have updated it and modified it. So hope guys you understood this important change that happened in the latest version of Selenium. That is at this moment it is the latest. Maybe in the coming days it may not be the latest, but in the upcoming things also, upcoming versions also, this kind of change will be carried forward. Okay, 4.27.0, this particular important change got introduced, and as you already know, a lot of other social media influencers in software testing world have already shared this on LinkedIn. So I wanted to do my own part and try to share whatever I have understood after doing a lot of R&D. So hope that you will like this video. Okay, so like guys, share and try to comment here if you have any other information about these methods and all. If you want to feedback on this video, and if you have found something, anything new about this particular commands and all, you can put a comment in this under this video, and we can discuss further using the comments. Okay, so that's all for this session, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.